Hi everyone, Andrew at Johnson RV here in Sandy, Oregon, America's #1 premium pre-owned RV superstore. Today I'm going to show you actually a new unit on our lot. It's a 2020 Forest River Forester 2851. Kind of walk around the outside, look at some of the features, and then we'll go inside and take a look. Coming down the side of the coach here, you have a nice big awning with outside speakers. It is prepped for solar. You can plug in the solar panel there. You have plug-ins on the outside to use appliances or hook up a TV on the outside. Your propane tank. Another nice storage bin there. And you have huge pass-through storage along the back. Can fit all your toys you want to bring camping in there. You can access it from 3 points, so you can get to things without having to pull everything in and out. And you have a 7,500 pound hitch on the back and your ladder for roof access. Your backup camera is just integrated nicely into that high tail light there. You come around the side here to the other side of the storage. That's where your shore power cord is as well. You have tank fill. Here's where your black and your gray dump will be, and your tank flush city water hookup. You have a nice big slide out here on this side. Some good long storage underneath that. It's your Onan 4,000 watt generator, which will run off of the chassis fuel tank. And another little storage bin there. Let's go inside and we'll take a look. Hi everyone, Andrew at Johnson RV here again. Now we're inside this 2020 Forest River Forester 2851. I'm going to show you around. We'll start up here in the cockpit. Standard Ford cockpit here. It's on the E450 chassis. You have your infotainment center there. It's a Pioneer. That's where your backup camera will appear when you put it in reverse. Then up top here we have a nice big TV that swings out. Pull this down to make this bed up here. One thing I like about Forest River is they do have this little safety net to keep either your gear if you're storing things up here or keep the kids from falling out of bed. You also have 2 windows up here, which is nice because you can get real cross ventilation in the bunk sleeping space. Gonna go around here, have a nice sofa here. Looks like it's a recliner. Good overhead storage space above. And you have your dinette, which will convert to a sleeping space as well. Here's all your controls here. Looks like it does have the Arctic package on it with the heated tanks. Operate your slide in and out. Start and stop your generator there, or check all your levels of your tanks. Come into the bedroom space here. You have a nice walk around bed, wardrobe on either side. Maybe hers is over here because it's bigger. Storage below. Have a little space on each side to set some things, as well as a little spot up here to keep some water at night or set your cell phone. And right outside the bedroom is a nice sized bathroom. Nice sink and counter space and some storage above and below as well. And opposite of that, we have a nice sized shower. A squeegeeing screen that comes out. Your pantry comes out here, kind of working our way back into the kitchen. Great pantry space. Two-door Dometic fridge and freezer. A lot of space to keep your food cold. Microwave. You have a Furrion oven in this one. And then the 3-burner cooktop. A lot of storage in this kitchen. It also has a lot of counter space, and it's on the camp side of the coach, which is nice because you can interact a little bit more while you're spending some time in the kitchen. Lots of storage under the sink. Then we have a little flip-up counter extension as well for more workspace. So again, this is the 2020 Forest River Forester 2851. If you have any more questions on this motorhome or anything else we have on the lot, we'd love to talk to you about what you're looking for. Again, my name's Andrew. Please give us a call at 503-668-5400. Thanks for watching.